Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this cute hairstyle for toddlers. I love it. It is so cute. I hope you like it. If you're new here, hi, my name is Joanna. I do a lot of hair videos. I also do vlogs and I also do pregnancy updates because I am 19 weeks pregnant. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, follow us on Instagram and TikTok, and let's get into the video. I'm going to start by spraying water detangler and then I'm just going to brush her hair. Then with my comb, I'm going to part her hair from that side. Then I'm going to part her hair again in the back. And what I'm trying to create is a little rectangle. Once I'm done creating that rectangle, I'm going to put the hair into a hair tie just to keep it apart. Then the rest of the hair, I'm also going to put it into a hair tie just to keep it out of my way. Then I'm going to take the hair out of the hair tie and I'm going to apply a little bit of this Hold and Shine Moisture Mist. Then I'm also going to apply a little bit of this gel. Then I'm going to brush that piece of hair. Then with my comb, I'm going to grab that little piece of hair and the rest of the hair, I'm going to put it into a hair clip just to keep it out of my way. Then I'm going to brush that little piece of hair and once I have it how I want it, I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. Next, I'm going to take the hair out of the hair clip and with my comb again, I'm going to grab another piece of hair about the same size and the rest of the hair, I'm going to put it back into the same hair clip just to keep it out of my way. Then I'm going to grab the little piece of hair and I'm going to brush it. Then I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. Now for the last piece of hair, I'm going to take it out of the hair clip. Then I'm going to brush it. Then I'm going to tie it with a rubber band. Now I'm going to grab that piece of hair and I'm going to put a rubber band around it like that. Then I'm going to start pulling the outer parts of that little piece of hair to make it look like a bubble. Then I'm going to grab another rubber band and I'm going to tie it around. Then I'm going to do the same. I'm just going to pull the outer parts just to make it look like a little bubble. Then I'm going to repeat the process one more time. Then I'm going to do exactly the same for the two other little pieces of hair. So I'm just going to put rubber bands around. Then I'm going to pull the outer parts to make those little pieces of hair look like bubbles. Once I'm done, I'm going to put all of those into a hair clip just to keep it out of my way. Then with my comb, I'm going to grab that piece of hair, and the rest of the hair I'm going to put it into a hair tie just to keep it out of my way. Then I'm going to grab that piece of hair and I'm going to brush it. Then I'm going to take those 3 little pieces of hair out of the hair clip and I'm going to add them to the previous piece of hair. Then I'm going to tie them together with a rubber band. For the bow, I have this super cute yellow one from Amazon. It is super inexpensive and they come in a ton of colors. This is pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoy it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like and come back next week for another hair video. Bye guys!